in a
Okay. Yeah.
particular plan. And yes, as Reshma said, we would be having a sheet, and where we'll also be, putting up all the events there. So this is it. Roles: we empower captain, inspire captain, share captain, learn captain, and those who selected a particular captain will be given this badge: empower captain, right? Inspire captain, share captain, and learn captain, right? And how we will use this badge, I'll show an example. The Delhi NCR is getting launched. I've taken up this thing. See, this person, Rupali Arora, is the learn captain of the group. So she's using this badge. She's been given this badge. Then Viva Puri is empower captain. She's given this badge. Fortunately, both are certified trainers. So one thing which I noticed and which I found very interesting with this Delhi NCR group is that everyone has kept their emails as .gg
Mhm.
India. This is something very good, and I would also request the captains that if we can follow this pattern, it is always advisable, because at the end we would wish to be part of DG India
Yeah.
itself. So again, I congratulate Reshma. Yeah,
Yeah, and we just like,
I,
yeah, no, no, no.
yes, I,
It just came to my mind because I thought that keeping a separate email address, a personal email address, which only works with gig events, is very beneficial for us also to be organized instead of mixing your work email ID, your personal email
yes,
ID,
exactly.
and then it just gets lost. So you can also do the same thing like your first name, gegindia@gmail.com. It is not compulsory, it is up to you. But it will be help because then all these emails will be guided towards just this email box, and it
Yes.
will be easy to manage. And when you
So
put your email like this, it is again a promotion that it is a GG India activity.
exactly. So as of now, so far as our knowledge goes, like Reshma, myself, Dhruvil, and Delhi NCR, we are all using this pattern, GG India. So if it can make it up, it's fine. Then, as Reshma said, that yeah, we would also be receiving lot many emails on our work ID or even on personal IDs. So let us have a separate Gmail account for gag events. So it will be helpful to you. And before you progress further in your say Google certification, and if you can have this kind of email IDs, it will be helpful in your certification as well. So this is one of the concepts. So I would just take up the sheet where what you have actually mentioned to work as.
So later we can also have meetings with short meetings with each captain to
Each
decide
captain.
how you want to do the activity and uh, how would you like to go it, or new ideas, because I saw like tip Tuesdays on social media. So every Tuesday you just post a small tip, maybe a 30-second video or 2-3 steps onto how to do some things using Google tools.
Yeah. So is my screen visible?
Yeah,
The Excel sheet is visible.
yes, it is.
Okay. So you see that all the green color is inspire captain. The blue color is empower captain, and the yellow color is share captain. Now this is something you have selected yourself when you say that when you were asked what can you work for us, in that you have submitted accordingly. This is organized in collaboration with us 1 week, identify members with potential, engage the group members, spread the word in media. You see, so this is something what you have selected yourself, that this is what you can work for the gags, and accordingly we have just bifurcated. Okay. So see, out of this, say there are 4 members for Inspire Captain. There is only 1 member for Empower Captain. There are 4 members for Share Captain, and we are yet to have our Learn Captain. Eventually, we will also have it. So see, we have 10 entries with us right now. We are not selecting all the entries, but a few entries, except one, we are selecting the rest of the entries. And what our idea is that let us start work in a small manner in this way, and then later on, when more members join, we can have more such captains doing particular tasks. So, so if I say Gaurav is interested for being Inspire Captain, Dr. Narjit Kaur Inspire Captain, Mukta Ma'am Inspire Captain, and Kabijan, I think Karman is not there in this meeting as yet. Karman is not there in this meeting. So later on we can catch with her, I suppose. And so these three of us are there. So out of this, you have to select that when you will work for GEG Pune, when you will work for GEG Ahmedabad. Mostly it will always go hand in hand. If one activity is to be done with Pune, other activity has to be done with Ahmedabad. So three members
the
like
only
that.
thing is, even if all three want to work, you have to be in collaboration with each other. That means who is doing what. And it should not happen that the same post is being posted by two, three different people on the same day. So it should look like a very professional sequence of events. So that means one person decides that, let's say, Narjit decides that, okay, this month I'll take over all the postings. All of you contribute, and she posted next month. Mukta ma'am posted next one. Nirav, whatever your choice is. The only thing it is very easy to work with smaller group to start with, because we all are getting here for the first time. Or we can even split the task, like, okay, I will post this to GEG Pune Facebook page and Twitter, and the other person posted to Ahmedabad page and Twitter accounts. So if you want, maybe
Sure.
Gaurav sir, Narjit and Mukta, would you like to talk about how you will
Yeah, see, first of all, the Inspire Captain has basically to suggest us that these are the topics that we can take up. So training कौन सी training लेनी है, उसके लिए planning में helpful होना है. This is the work of Inspire Captain. Once in a week, so you can have your own schedules. अब आप सोच सकते हो कि भाई मैं इस बार ये suggest करूंगा. Then say before you suggest, we already have a suggestion with us, and maybe what we can do is we can implement your suggestion in the next week or next to next week. So accordingly आपका जो suggestion है वो time based पे implementation होता रहेगा. So that is the work of an Inspire Captain. The blue one, Empower Captain, उसका काम ये है that you have to find out a mentor who can take up a session with us. So but obvious, we will need to have one external mentor taking up a session in our GEG group. So just, I think, Nayan sir has joined.
Okay.
Yeah. Welcome, Nayan sir. So in this, so the Inspire Captain, the Empower Captain has to find out one such mentor who can teach us relevant topic and who is outside the GEG, maybe or inside the GEG, who has to take up a topic. And posting वगैरह जो है, right? Email वगैरह है, posting वगैरह है, that has to be taken care by these yellow ones that are the share captains. So I will quickly just revise the slides so that now we have got all the members with us. So I will just quickly revise the slides and just then decide how we shall be working. On a very quick note, I'll just revise the slides. Okay, so it's working with us. Number one, Empower Captain. Those who are interested to work as Empower Captains will have to identify a member of the group or outside the group who has to take one event a month to guide regarding all Google productivity tools or tools related to educators, right? Say you can have a tool like, if someone math expert is there and math expert knows how to use Jamboard for teaching algebra or teaching geometry, we can have a separate topic for that captain. You can have a session for it. So Empower Captain, उसका वर्क ये होता है to identify कि कौन external expert है वो हमको guide करेगा. Inspire Captain is basically, he will help the GEG leaders to plan the activities ahead of the training sessions. So what would be the next training session? उसके बाद training session क्या रहेगा? उसके बाद training session क्या रहेगा? That is the work of Inspire Captain. Share Captain, they are dealing with engaging the audience with regular emails, newsletters, interesting content, then taking care of the social media. Now this is minimum thrice in a week. Inspire Captain once in a month. Empower Captain once in a month. And sorry, Share Captain once in a week. Sorry, not twice, once in a week. So it is 4 times in a month. And then Learn Captain is basically, he will, the Learn Captain is the candidate will suggest the group that this is something happening outside the group, and this is worth learning and opportunity for the members. So group के बाहर क्या हो रहा है, say in global GEG or in Google for Education or in Google this artificial intelligence matter, what is happening, and if any session is there, उसका posting करना है और members को उसमें registration के लिए inform करना है. उसका काम Learn Captain का काम ये है. So secondary work for all the captains, obviously promote in the social media. Be active in the social media. Anytime you post related to Google, related to productivity, tag the leaders, tag the GEG group. Secondary. So this is all decided by the GEG policy, Google policy, Empower Captain, Inspire Captain, Share Captain, Learn Captain. Okay, and accordingly the badges will be given. Right. So this is how you can use the badges, as you see over here. Okay. So I will just stop. Now, before we proceed further, I would again like to revise here and just take 5 more minutes. Yeah. So we have entries for 4 entries for becoming green Inspire Captain, and we have got 4 entries for becoming Share Captain. So on a very normal and casual note, I would suggest is that since there are 4, let 2 members work for GEG Pune, let 2 members work for GEG Ahmedabad, so that you don't have more work piled upon you and you have a focused area. So if Gaurav and Narjit would like to work with Pune, that's fine. And if this Mukta ma'am and Carmen is not in the meeting today, so we don't have to consider her now. So likewise, and from here, say if this Sanchita and Deepali, again they both are not in the meeting at this point. Dipti Vyas and Daksha Vara, they are in the meeting. So you have to decide that you have to work in accordingly. So how shall we start the work? It's very simple. Initially, we will all coordinate with each other on the email itself. Right? आपको अगर जो समझ में आया है अभी by this particular presentation, whatever you've understood, let us work using sharing of the emails. Whenever you do an email, you just do email to Reshma as well as to me, and CC to other members if required. Or at least we both should be in the loop. Reshma and myself should be in the loop of the email so that we know that this activity is getting finalized. Later on, what we will do is we will devise a sheet where you will make an entry, or we will devise a form where you will enter the data, and we will regularly check the sheets for such activities. So what entries should be done, what fields should be there in the form, that we will come to know later, and based on it we will prepare those forms. Is it okay, Reshma?
Yeah, fine. All the members, if you would like to say anything, or if you want to be a part of a specific group, and remember we are still working as a team, please feel free to talk now.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm Sanjita and I'm very present here.
Oh, so sorry,
Okay.
ma'am. Welcome to the event. I'm so sorry for having not recognizing you. So yes, you are one of the share captains.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So
who else is a share captain? Let us start with each type of captain. Maybe if you want to just introduce yourself, talk to each other, and then decide who wants to do what. You can do it informally also later on WhatsApp, and they just communicate to us so that we can send you the badges.
Yeah. So once again, let me tell you, this bifurcation is based on what you selected in the form that you wish to work for. Okay, this is not something that we are assigning to you. We are not such authority to assign you anything. You have volunteered to work in this particular area, and that is how we are giving this work as per your choice. So for share captain, out of which 3 are here, I suppose, Sanjita Kaur, Daksha Vara, and Dipti Vyas. Dipali Medekar, she is not here.
I think Deepali ma'am will join because it is she's in Canada and it's a working day, so she might not be present, but I'm sure she will contribute.
So Mukta ma'am, Narjit ma'am, and Gaurav, they are the Inspire captains. So they are what to work for it. And Afaf Damak, I would just request you to please introduce yourself come on live on the video, because you are the only one who has expressed to work for as a Empower captain. Are you there, Afaf? Fine, I think let us continue. It's already 9:36. Already we are.
Yeah. Any questions? Just feel free to open your mic and talk, please, so that we can confirm and finalize.
Nanjit, yeah, Mukta ma'am.
Good evening, Mukta this side. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
First of all, thanks a lot for giving us this opportunity. You need to guide us what to do. First thing, we have initiated this thing. We have taken whatever was given to us accordingly. We have selected one topic, but how to go ahead, that you need to tell us in the starting, and then we'll try to work on.
Yeah, so let us do one thing. Just for 15 minutes, probably next week, let's have a quick meeting, or maybe after our Saturday or Friday sessions, just for 15 minutes for each captain. We'll have a 15-minute meeting, and we will plan a sheet and share you a sheet with you. So with all of the interested candidates, we will put down columns like share events, inspire activity, and like 4 of the 8 with your names. And then we will start putting in what needs to be done or what we can do. So don't worry, it is not a big pressure. We will all work together for this.
Yes. So, if I just tell you in one word, what you need to do is basically, irrespective of whatever area of work you have selected, one work you have to do in common is to promote all the GEGs. You have to be active on Twitter. You have to be active on Facebook. Whenever you are posting something, if it is related to Google, if it is related to the group, you must tag the group. You must tag the leaders. That is the only thing you have to just learn at this point of time. I know in India, Facebook is more popular than Twitter, but still there are many parts of the country, Twitter is more popular than Facebook. If you talk about Delhi and NCR, they are using Twitter much. If they are metro cities, they are using Twitter much as compared to Facebook. So whatever tool you are using, if you have not started using Twitter, okay, fine. This is a learning point. You can start learning to use Twitter and start working on it. If you are good at Facebook, continue with Facebook. Whenever you post something, you tag the GG, you tag the leaders. This is the first thing. And all the Inspire captains, Mukta ma'am, Narjit Kaur, and Gaurav, your primary task will be to suggest us कि क्या topic रखें हम training के लिए. Your work is, you are Inspire captain. You have to inspire us कि कौन सा topic रखना है. Okay, that you can come to know. How will you come to know which topics to be kept, right? So you have to understand कि what is the need of the group. Group के discussion क्या चल रहा है, right? अच्छा कोई नया topic आया है, कोई नया feature update हुआ है, and you want us to keep up that topic. See, even we will also be aware of those things. We will also be active. It's not that we will not be active, but something ये work आपके पास में आएगा. And share captains like Sanjita ma'am, Daksha ma'am, and Dipti ma'am, your work will be basically to promote on social media. And
so Dr. Varia, should we divide the captains according to the GEGs, like GEG Pune and GEG Ahmedabad, or should we keep all the 3 captains for all the GEGs?
Initially, I think let them tag both the GEGs. Let them work for both the GEGs. It's a team. Later on, depend upon the regional requirement. If suppose say outside Gujarat the requirement is different, then we can have it for Pune, and if it is within Gujarat requirement, then we can have it for Ahmedabad. So that's
okay. Sounds good. So I think what we will do now is I will prepare a sheet. I will share that Google Sheet with all of you, and I'll put your names under each column, whatever you opted for, and then we will start collaborating on that. Okay. Just put in your ideas and brainstorming.
Yeah, I would just also say Mr. Nayan Shah sir is here. Mr. Nayan Shah sir has also nominated himself for being Inspire captain. So Nain sir, your work is also going to be like along with Dr. Narjit Kaur, Mukta ma'am, or with Gaurav, is basically to suggest us के क्या topic रखना चाहिए next week या उसके next week. You have to just help us in planning the activities. That's it. That's the work of Inspire Captain.
सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज आप लोग सब लोग अपने सब्जेक्ट में एक्सपर्टाइज है, आप लोग स्कूल में देखते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है, आपके कॉलीग्स में देखते हैं कि व्हाट एवरीबॉडी इज स्ट्रगलिंग विद. तो अभी जैसे अभी राइट नाउ ओनली मी एंड डॉक्टर वारिया आर हैविंग अ मीटिंग वंस अ वीक टू डिसाइड क्या करें, लाइक हाउ वी कैन हेल्प अदर्स. तो इसलिए अभी जी अहमदाबाद ने प्लान किया कि अभी एग्जाम्स आने वाले हैं, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद क्रिएटिंग क्विजेस एंड एग्जाम ऑन द फॉर्म. तो वैसे ही जी पुणे आई सेड ओके फ्राइडे को आप ये कर रहे हैं, तो सैटरडे को आई विल टेक अप एडवांस टॉपिक्स ऑन फॉर्म्स ओनली, फॉर्म्स का ही टॉपिक एंड कनेक्टिंग इट टू शीट्स, कैसे आप डेटा एनालाइज करोगे. तो ये अभी तो हम लोग सिर्फ दोनों ही डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, बट इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल अगर आप खुद स्कूल में देख रहे हैं एंड आपको लग रहा है लेट्स से एग्जाम्पल की टीचर्स को बहुत डिफिकल्टी हो रही है कि कैलेंडर ही नहीं उनको समझ में आ रहा है, या फिर हम लोग मीटिंग रखते हैं पीपल ज्वाइन नहीं करते क्योंकि वो कैलेंडर में सेव नहीं हुआ इवेंट उनका. तो वी कैन हैव अ क्विक 15 मिनट 20 मिनट सेशन एक दूसरे सेशन के साथ टूल कंबाइन करके टू शो हाउ टू डू इट. तो द मेन फोकस इज कि आप आइडेंटिफाई करिए कि what things are required, क्या what will be helpful for the teachers, and we can take up that tool to discuss in the next events.
Yeah, and I would suggest that we would take time to share the Empower Captains, captains logos with you or badges with you. So initially we would wish to have your suggestions in form of 1 or 2 emails that आपने कुछ काम शुरू किया है, and accordingly उसके base पे you will be allotted the badge. So
I just have one question, क्योंकि ये आप लोग जो लोग ज्वाइन हुए, I'm sure you are very active in the groups. हम लोग ने Google group बनाया है, so I just want to ask कि do you get emails on the Google groups?
Yeah, we do. Yes.
Yeah, because I have the only person posting is myself, and I don't know if people are getting the emails or not. So what I will suggest, let's make Google group
more active
for these 4. तो conversation starters होते हैं उसमें, तो उसमें like we have a inspire as a topic, and then सारे inspire captains उसमें add होके they keep suggesting there. तो वो it will be at one place instead of having different WhatsApp messages here and there.
Let us do one thing. Yeah, so let us keep one group that is GAG captains. Okay, and we can then divide the topic as per the task.
Yeah,
so
and usme we can contribute.
Are we talking about?
Yes, Narjit ma'am.
Are we talking about new groups, or are we talking about conversation threads in the GEG groups?
We are talking about Google
threads,
in
okay,
Google
groups. Yeah,
Conversation
threads only, threads, but with a different topic heading. Yes.
Right. Okay. Yeah, got it.
So that will help, because then only 4 of you will be in the Inspire group. You can keep continuously, and we both will be there.
Yes.
So we can just keep communicating on that particular forum.
Yeah. So Sanjita ma'am, I'm just reading your chat. Yes, this is the great topic, and we are covering up, me and Reshma. So the very first day, Friday, we'll be covering up the session of how we will be conducting exam using Google Classroom. In that, we'll be covering some portions of how assessments can be made. Later, advanced level assessments will be taken up on the next day. So yes, we know this is something need of the time, and we are really taking up this topic considering the need of the time.
So that is a good suggestion, that subjective assessment is very important, and it is important because a subjective assessment we cannot give them a score right away, forms pe. So we have to actually, the teachers have to look at the text, kya likha hai, read through it, and then score that particular question. So we will talk about all this on Friday and Saturday. So it will really help actually, because aise inputs are very much important.
Yeah.
So
it's already
I think we're good.
Yeah, we are good. Yeah, it's already 45 minutes. We have crossed 15 more minutes. Anything else, we can get in touch with each other on the email. And yeah, I think Reshma, let's prepare this Google group and let us keep the member posted in it. Right? We can directly take the member emails from the sheets that they have filled in.
Yes.
Right? So
okay. And congratulations,
fine. So let us
ma'am. She's already our first member.
Yes, Mukta ma'am.
I think first of all, let us create our new Gmail ID, and then you, Reshma, and then.
Perfect.
That is a good idea.
We will appreciate it.
Yeah.
Sure.
So we'll share it till today night or tomorrow morning in the
That's
group
fine.
itself, and then or to your like the
I think
email.
let us. We will create the group on Friday, right? Take
That's
tomorrow.
fine. Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, and
suppose-
just share your email ID on our personal WhatsApp numbers,
Yeah.
not in the group. It might get lost sometimes.
So I
Yes.
think Gaurav is already prepared, and Gaurav has already posted in the chat. So it will be
Yeah,
nice
and then
if
we
we have
will. Yeah, that is great.
mukta.vgindia@gmail.com, gaurav.vgs@gmail.com. That will be nice.
Yeah, and then once we have the whole group ready and we start contributing, we'll send you the badges, and you can add it to your signature and everything. And it's a small group, but I just wanted to congratulate Narjeet ma'am. Is she here?
Yeah,
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 she's
yeah,
here.
I'm here.
Oh,
Thank you.
and I
Thank
want
you
to
so
tell
much.
Narjeet is my childhood friend,
Yeah.
like from
Yeah.
KG actually, from
Yeah.
KG
Oh, great.
to 12th grade. So I'm
Great.
very happy. I'm very happy because we spoke after 15-20 years actually after GEG Pune started, and I'm very excited that she took up this and she's already done with level 1. Congratulations.
Yes, yeah. Congratulations on this one. Yes.
Thank you.
It's
Thank you
indeed
so
an
much.
achievement.
God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
So let's
Okay, I think we are
conclude
done for
this,
today.
yes, we are done for today. And once again, welcome all for this work. And let us learn from each other. Let us collaborate and let us develop together. So we are just concluding this meeting, and this meeting stands as over. And stopping the recording, we can start leaving the meeting.
Thank you so much, all.